Hi everyone, this is Caroline and I am working on cleaning out my container where I have my color pencils because today I am going to be coloring an illustration that I am designing, and I have a series of them, so I want to get organized. And just like a lot of other artists, I have containers that are full of other materials. I have markers mixed in with my color pencils, and I have a variety of extra things in here. So I need to go through this tub. The rest of them seem like they're okay. And I'm gonna get organized, and I am then going to start drawing. So the question is, why do I have Vaseline in this container? I don't know. I don't remember what I was using it for. So I'm going to put this off to the side. I'm not going to throw it away because I need to sit and think what I might have been doing. And it could have been where I was using my color pencils, and to blend it better, I think I might have been using Vaseline. So I'm going to try that on a scrap paper because this just seems odd to put Vaseline with color pencils. So I'm thinking that my memory might be correct on that I was using Vaseline on a color pencil drawing, and because I heard about that technique from another YouTuber. So it's still going to go in my container. It's just going to be off to the side. I have my blender, which I probably used with the Vaseline, so that's going to go over to the side. And I'm going to grab all my color pencils that I have and put them in. Now, these color pencils are not the most expensive, of course. They're the Crayola colors, and I'm fine with that because it's what I have right now. I do have Prism colors. I will get that out as well. I have that in one of my cabinets. But right now I'm just going to organize these buckets. So, and I have the colors sorted out in three main colors, like the reds and oranges, and the blues, purples, greens, and then the more neutral tone colors. It's just a little bit easier for me to decide what colors I want to use. And these are just containers. They're like those containers you would use for soup, and you would freeze them in. I just had a quantity of them, so I decided to use them for my color pencils. Now the rest of this, I am going to sort it out. I do have a container for markers. I'm going to find that, and I have some pens in here, and I do have to see, some of them it probably dried out, so I need to go through this as well. It is looking like all of them are dried out, and that is 100% fine with me because this part of my process is to use what I have, and part of that is to go through my supplies and just start decreasing and being a little bit more aware of the supplies I do want to invest in. And then when I do invest in them, I will buy more quality type of supplies. So I think only two seem to work well. So I'm going to put them on the side. I'm gonna throw this away and take care of the rest of the supplies. My bin is now organized with all the color pencils. I did keep the ink pens in here, and then the little bottle of Indian ink, and my box of color pencils I'm just going to keep in here. I have not used these, so I might open them and just put them in here. I tend to not use these more skin tone colors in my art, but I'm thinking I might just kind of color with them and just see what they look like. And I need to pull out my prism color, so let me do that next. Okay, I have a bin of prism colors and the Faber Castell, I think that's how you pronounce it. And I have quite a bit in here that's prism colors, and then this one, let me open it, and quite a bit in here. So I'm going to leave these in the tin. I like to keep them separate. And I think this is dusty, but my cat's on my towel that I use. That's okay. You could tell I have not used these in a long time, but I will clean this off. I'll clean both the tins off before I use them. And let me get my workspace situated, and then I'll start drawing.